Hello, I'm Christina. Welcome to the Khadi store in Berlin. I would like to introduce you to our Khadi Neem Harmony Scalp Oil. This is a special oil for an unbalanced, flaky, irritated, or itching scalp. I myself have had really great experience with it. I used to have a flaky scalp until I started using the Khadi Neem Harmony oil. I'm glad that now I've got it all under control and that my scalp has calmed down since then. The magical neem inhibits inflammation, soothes irritation, and leaves a pleasant, cool feeling on the scalp. Another important ingredient in this oil is brown mustard seed oil. Brown mustard oil activates the immune system, stimulates the metabolism, and promotes blood circulation, and has a detox effect on the scalp, which brings more nutrients back to the cells. The tea tree oil has an antiseptic effect and calms the sebaceous oil glands, and therefore the scalp stays fresh longer. To use, simply apply 1 to 3 pumps of the oil in the palm of your hand and then apply to the scalp with your fingertips. Let it work for at least 30 minutes, but preferably overnight. After the application time, simply wash it out with your favorite natural shampoo. Khadi shampoos are preferred. The Neem Harmony oil is suitable for everyone who would like to bring their scalp back into the natural balance. I'm glad I discovered it because my scalp can finally breathe again and feel relaxed.